If you allow your customers to pay their invoices by check or, for instance, by online payment methods such as PayPal, um, we recommend you to mark these invoices as paid by using the payment wizard, which is embedded in the invoice form. That way, you can exclude those invoices from your follow-up process, because since you do not get the money in the bank immediately, it's best to register those transactions with intermediate accounts. Because as soon as you get notified about the payment, it's very handy for you to do this to enable your customers to be happy and not receive follow-ups for invoices already paid. Whatever the payment method you use, whether it's check or any other online payment methods, for instance PayPal, the process is similar. In Odoo, with the new bank statement reconciliation, you also have the ability to reconcile other accounts than receivable and payable ones. So for accounts you need to reconcile, like this kind of intermediate accounts, you can tick the allow reconciliation for the account concerned. You can do this in accounting, configuration, accounts. Now let's start from a customer invoice. This is want to register a payment on an intermediate account. You take an unpaid invoice and you click register payment. The amount still to be paid will be proposed, and as a payment method, you choose the intermediate journal, which in this case will be PayPal, because the customer already paid this invoice through your PayPal account, but it hasn't entered your actual bank statement yet. You can edit a payment reference. For instance, PayPal payment, and you click pay. So if we have a look at the payment, we can see that the invoice has been reconciled. This is an unposted payment because in my journal I told the system that I wanted to check the entries and I needed a manual posting. So I click post to make it definite. Okay. Now for our bank statements, we can create templates. So I will set up a banking template. I go to configuration, miscellaneous, and I select the statement operation templates. Now let's create a template to automate the registration of the intermediate account. So it's the PayPal account that I select here. I set the amount type to fixed because I want this amount to be the same as the one I register in my bank statement. And I give the label PayPal intermediate payments. Save. I put the amount to 0, as you have seen, because this will only be used in case of percentages. Receive our bank statement, which states the amount actually paid by the customer. We select our usual bank account, and we don't have to select a partner here because we will reconcile this against the intermediate account. So we just enter the amount here, we click reconcile, and we choose the counterpart for PayPal payments. So all we have to do is click here on PayPal, and as you see, it will be entered on the intermediate account. We click OK. We go back to the statement. We enter the correct ending balance, and we save and close the statement. That's all it takes to register intermediate payments.